Can you check Facebook page password? Well, in order for you to figure it out, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, you need to head over to your application Facebook. Make sure that you are logged in into your Facebook page. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on this three horizontal line at the top left corner of the screen. Head over to Settings and Privacy at the bottom of the screen. Move into Settings. Well, in this page, if you scroll down, you will not be able to see the option in order for you to check the password of your Facebook page, which means that there is no personal password of your Facebook page. If it is connected to your personal account, then your personal account's password is the password of your Facebook page itself. So in order for you to view the password, tap on Switch Profiles. Click on Switch Now. Once you're in this page, head over to Account Center. Move into Password and Security. Tap on Change Password. Select your Facebook account. Now simply click on Current Password. Well, the Google Manager or your password app will show you the password of your Facebook account if it has been saved. That way you will be able to check the password and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.